Don't throw your broken broom away. You'll need a hacksaw or similar tool to cut it. Separate the broom holder from the handle. Once you've cut it, make sure the base of the holder is as flat as possible. Now, find an empty plastic bottle. Unscrew the cap and place it directly on top of the base of the holder you just cut. Using 3 screws, attach the bottle cap to the holder. Make sure it fits snugly. Now, take the plastic bottle without the cap and cut off the mouth of the bottle. We'll attach this part to the broom handle. Place the mouth of the bottle on the end of the handle and using 2 screws, secure it firmly. The screws should be side by side to ensure the bottle cap is securely fastened and doesn't move. Once you've attached the bottle's mouth to the handle, all you have to do is screw it onto the cap you previously placed on the broom's base holder. And that's it. You now have a fully functional broom, ready to sweep like new. So the next time you see a broken broom, think twice before throwing it away.